Hello guys. Here we are. My name is Gaurav Gandhi, and my friend's name is Mudassir
Mudassir
Zafar.
Zafar, and
And
we
here
are
we are going to present our demonstration for the maze game for the course ITech 3224 Software Engineering Analysis and Design. So basically, this game, maze game, we have developed on the platform of C Sharp programming, and the tool which we have used is Visual Studio for the latest version of the Visual Studio. So, yes, we will quickly jump on the demonstration, not wasting your time. So, yes, as you can see, as you can see, this is our maze game. So now you can see we have given some of the uh, introductions, like what commands you can use in this maze game. So whenever you are playing this game, you will not get any error or any other things, and you can easily figure out which commands you have to write on what cells. So basically, uh, according to the question, you have to write your answers. So here it says choose your uh, what name do you choose to be known by. So I'll just write my name. It's Gaurav. Then it will ask what is your agility, and yeah, make sure, please, you make sure that you write the numbers between 1 to 31, because if you exceed it, it will show an error and the program will stop. So yes, make sure, please, you write the numbers between these specified numbers. So we will select 23,
can you see?
then 31, and yes, now you can see there's a small conversation there's a small conversation which you can say, which you can read if you want to, and if you don't want to, then you can just skip it. And the last, after that, after the conversation ends, then remember which I showed you some commands on the starting of the program. So you can choose any of the commands from them and write here after this conversation. So let's say you want to look east, and you see it says you can move towards Johnsey Clubhouse. Now I will write look west. It says you can purchase weapons and armors. Then look south. Oh, you see, I've written wrong spelling of the south, so it shows an error. So now again I will write look south, and you can see that it shows you see an open space to move towards woods, and respectively look north, and it will say you can move towards drawbridge. So it's up to you whichever where you want to move. It's up to you. So basically now I want to move east,
So scroll below.
so let's move east. Sorry. Yeah, so you see it says move east, and it says you have successfully moved east and find yourself somewhere else. And now it says Johnson's Clubhouse, and Johnson's friend may be here who can help you for defeating Philip. So let's say you want to move west now. So yes, move west, and here it says we have found a camp, forest, and then camp. So let's say you want to move again north, and the only entrance to here it says the only entrance to Gregor's Castle. This is the only entrance to the Gregor's Castle. So yes, now I will say move south. Yeah. So as you all know, as I said, move west and move south is both the same one. Both is the forest in this place. So let's say now we want to look look east, then again look west, look south. Now let's say we want to move south. You see an open space containing deep woods. So here you can just write again move north if you want to, or else anything else. Oops, there was a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. As I told you, if you make any command mistake in the spelling of the command mistake, then it will show an error. So that's what happened with me. So we'll start.
Okay.
Okay, so basically this was a demonstration of our game, and yes, this is our coding. So I won't show you that. It's alright. So now my friends will now my friend will show you, like will tell you what methodology is. Now my friend now my friend will tell you what development methodologies we have used, what designing, and what how we develop this maze game basically. So yes, I will forward my friend to tell you about all of the things now.
Okay. So first, we tried to understand the assignment requirements and the structure of the code by reading the document provided to us on Moodle. Then we implemented a flow diagram based on the specifications. By doing so, we actually came to know how to start the coding. Lab exercises were great help to get the knowledge for coding in this game. Then the game map was designed in groups using Boost methodology. We implemented various other sets. Then the game was we made use of Forest, Mount Helen's shop, Friends Club, the inn, and the castle as the six. Then by creating objects of these location, um, we gave option for the for player to buy, sell a weapon or item, to use or select or drop any item equipment. The coding further was included for showing the life level of the player, and even if the player wants to restore his life points, player could use any weapon to attack. Um, the design of this program was very tricky, and we compared the situation to a real life scenario while implementing to get into the depth of the programming for required for this assignment. The program is kept hard coded. Everything was coded by me and Gaurav. Development methodology is very helpful. So, as unless the document the design first, implementing it can get complicated and confusing. So this was all what we have done for the assignment. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys for this. So thank you, and you can see this video and you can play this game whenever you like. Thank you guys.